Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. It's me again, your opera girl. We gotta keep busy and good evening, America. Chares. Hit the like button and comment down below.
Mm.
I'm gonna promote our Patreon. That's how we get some support. Please join patreon.com slash Tom Yam Lechon and OnlyFans Tom Yam Lechon. Thank you.
Mm.
Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna welcome Ate here. Hello po, Ate. Good evening. Morning. How are
Yeah,
you?
I fine.
Introduce yourself.
Mm.
Pakilala ka po.
I'm Jacqueline Abayo.
How old are you, Ate?
I'm 30 years old.
30-year-old.
Yeah.
Here's my our ano Facebook page. Hit the please follow our Facebook page. Thank you. How many child do you have, Ate?
Uh, Four.
Four child.
Yeah.
Do you have a live-in partner?
No.
Wala kang live-in partner?
No.
How are you pregnant?
Hindi. Ito,
Ah,
mabalang ako.
sorry kasi akala ko kanina buntis ka nung
Hindi.
umakyat
Sa
ka.
Bilbil.
Okay. How old is your firstborn?
7 years.
7 years old, yung panganay mo?
16 years.
16-year-old. And the second?
And 10 and 11 years.
Mm, 10 and 11-year-old.
Yeah.
Instagram, guys. Tom Yam Lechon. Please follow. Bongga. Alright, we go. What is your job, ate?
In the salon parlor,
Mm,
pedicure and manicure.
okay, that's good. But you said sometimes you go walking street, right?
No, I not go there. Only
Mm.
just walk there before to come my work.
Okay, but you're really not going into walking street.
Yeah,
You're
no,
working as a maquinista like that.
yeah. I just come to my work, then I just walk past.
How much? I heard that if you work in a salon, you don't have a salary. It's based on how many people you
Yeah,
clean.
sometimes it just very slowly.
Commission like that.
Yeah, sometimes I give the 50 peso for commission pedicure like
Do you
that.
have allowance in that or no?
Yeah, I have.
Like 200 peso, I guess.
Yes, it's the 200 peso.
And like if I get manicure done there, they charge you 100 peso, right?
Yeah,
And you get half of
yes,
the
half.
100
Yeah,
peso.
yeah, 100. Yeah, half.
Like example, my nails cost 400 peso.
Yeah,
350.
yeah,
Example, that's gel, right?
yes,
Gel.
yeah.
How much do you get in that?
For commission,
Mm-mm.
only for
Like
one.
example, 350 para sa gel. Ganyan. Magkano
Yeah,
yung inaano nyo doon? Magkano yung
only
sa inyo doon?
for 350 also it is 150.
You'll have get
Yeah.
150. Mm. Do you do haircut also?
Yes.
You know how to haircut?
No, but I not just a little bit also, but I will
Mm.
to try it.
You wanna try to.
Yeah, try to haircut.
Oh, okay, that's good. So, are your child is studying?
Yeah, yeah.
Mm,
I study already now.
that's good. Who take care of them if you're working?
My mom, mother.
Mother. Uh, she bring them to the school.
Yeah, everyday school. My daughter.
Do you give sometimes your mom like allowance like that?
Yeah, sometimes I help my mom because I take care of my kids also.
Yeah, she take care of your child,
Yeah.
diba?
Mm.
Yeah, we have to, because our mom is the one take care while we're doing busy working. That's why we need to give something,
Mm.
because if we hire a nanny, a maid, it's cost you 6,000, 7,000 peso, right? Just to take care of your child. So I'm
Mm.
lucky that I don't have to pay 7,000 peso
Yeah,
for.
I cannot afford because my salary is very slowly.
Yeah, masaya ako din. Hindi ko na kailangan magbayad. I don't pay 7,000
Yeah, I
peso
don't have
for.
pay because my mom is helping me because my
Yeah,
mom is
but
my
as
daughter.
of course we still need give some for our mom so she can buy something for herself, diba?
Yeah.
For
Just a little bit enough
yeah,
I have.
because she's the one helping you for
Yeah.
your child,
Yeah.
cause the average salary of yeah nanny here 7,000 peso and I don't have 7,000
I don't
peso.
have because it's very slowly my salary. My mom, she's understand about my situation. It's like that.
Mm. That's why I'm thankful that my mom is helping me to watch my kids if I'm working. Like,
Yeah.
mm, if I'm not working, I let her go home or sometime go
Yes.
to my oh let get her rest because she's old. My mom is
Yeah.
62. How old is your mom?
Only 66. Yeah,
66.
66 years.
She's still strong, right?
Yeah, she's sometimes, yeah, she is have a sick.
She
Then she take a medicines like
uh
this.
uh blood pressure medicine
For only neck, for
for
throat.
sore throat.
Yeah,
Why?
for the sinus, about the, the sinus and the put in the neck.
Mm-mm.
Yeah,
She has cold like that.
yeah, maybe.
Mm. Wala naman siyang goiter.
No, wala.
And she's taking medicine.
Mm-mm.
She's not high blood like that.
No, she not.
Mm. That's good because my mom is high blood. I mean, it's not good, But I told her sometimes that you have to, because as a children that want to
Mm.
take care of our mother, we gonna tell them what's good for them, right?
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi kung we gonna tell our parents this is not good for you,
Mm.
you should stop smoking cigarette
Yeah.
because you're getting old. But our parents won't listen to us.
Yes.
Do your mom listen to you?
Yeah, I listen my mom.
No, your mom, yung mama mo, nakikinig ba sa payo mo?
Yeah, I listen for my advice, my mom.
That's good. Does she smoke cigarette?
I know, no.
No, that's good.
My mom,
Alcohol.
no, cannot. My
Mm.
mom is cannot take care about that.
Mm. Can I ask what happened to your baby father? Ano nangyari sa amo ng ano mo?
Yeah, but I will father my
Kids.
kids
What
is
happened?
run away because I cannot married already.
You don't wanna you can't married?
No, not. I cannot
Why?
married
You
because
mean you
because my husband he's have a first wife,
uh-huh.
then me second also.
Okay. But
Yeah.
before he met you, he separated with his ex-wife, right? Separate na sila or mistress ka lang?
I said this, yes, me and my husband is separate.
No, yung first wife niya, nung nakilala ka
Ah,
ba
yes,
niyan,
yes,
separate
yeah,
na
yeah,
sila?
yeah. But my first wife husband is separate when I to know me.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking you. That you separate when he met you, he
Yeah, it's
separated with his
separate. Yeah,
ex,
it's no
and then
communication and that
okay,
finish that
okay, and
the
then
relationship.
you cannot marry him because there's no divorce here at Philippines, di ba?
Yeah,
So why he
divorce.
ran away? Ba't siya tumakbo?
And my husband is come back again. I have a choose for my wife.
Ano yun, te? Patagalog, te, patagalog.
Yung asawa ko bumalik na siya sa asawa niya dati.
You're not,
My
you, hindi. Yeah, she said, her husband went back to the first wife. He
yeah,
left him.
yeah,
He
left.
left her.
I left me. Yes.
He left you.
Yeah.
He chose his first wife than you.
Yeah.
That's sad, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi wala ka namang karapatan.
Yes.
But do he support the child?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe, yeah,
Only
maybe.
only
Sometimes.
yeah, sometimes I support and I give for food my kids.
He support sometime,
Yeah.
like once a month, like that.
Yeah, once a month. When I get
And
salary my
no, your husband.
yeah.
Sinusuportahan po ba yung anak niya
Yes, of course. Yeah.
once a month?
Yeah.
And then you buy it for foods.
Yes, I buy for food. Yeah.
That's good. At least he still supports you. Oh, his
Mm-mm.
child.
Yeah.
Mhm. Do your children know their step sisters, siblings?
No.
Kilala ng mga anak mo yung mga step siblings niya?
Yes, yes. I know. I
They know
know.
each other?
Yeah. Each other
Mm,
for the second.
oo, kilala ka sila,
Yeah.
magkakilala sila.
Yes.
They have a good relationship with their stepsister?
Yeah. Stepsister is
May
to.
magandang
Yeah.
relasyon naman sila ng
Oo.
magkakapatid.
Yes. Meron.
Okay, that's good. At least they
Mm.
know that they have
Yeah.
a sister from different mother, di ba?
Yeah.
And they have a good relationship, which is good.
Yeah.
And the father is supporting you. But of course, it's hurt for you that masakit yun sa'yo, di ba? Na
Yes.
he
It's hurt.
chose his
Yeah.
wife.
Yeah.
Ano ginawa mo, te?
For me, it's okay.
It's
Because
okay.
if when my husband is come back in first wife come back and then I'm support my kids and then I'm happy
She said it's
because
for
it's
her.
still to
It's
support.
okay that he went back to his ex wife, first wife, as long he support his child from her.
Yeah.
As long he support it, yeah, that's good. As long you support my baby, oh, everything, why not? Di ba?
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
Mm-mm. If you don't support, ay di wala.
Mm.
Tulpo na lang.
No,
It
it's
happened.
support.
It happened here. If you don't support the children, the Filipino will call you go to Tolpo
No,
News.
it's support my husband, my kids also.
Tolpo, bongga.
Yeah.
Oy, come here daw for him. Oh, why don't you join a live here? Oh, and ask her some question. You can guys come and ask her some question for her. Do you have a boyfriend right
Mm.
now?
Right now, no, I don't have
Mm.
boyfriend.
When you broke up with when you separated with the father of your child,
Mm.
do you have really had relationship with the other guy? May nakarelasyon ka po bang ibang lalaki?
Uh, yes, but now it's
You
stop.
got boyfriend before when you
Yeah,
separated
I
with the
got.
father of your child,
Yeah.
and it didn't work out, hindi po nag-work out yung relasyon nyo
Mm.
ng boyfriend mo.
Mm.
Mm.
Then I will still stop for relationship my boyfriend.
You guys broke up with him
Yeah,
na.
broke up. Yes,
Are you
it's
looking
broke.
for another guy?
No, that's only one. For the have a boyfriend, that's only one for me. It's enough.
You're not looking for another
No,
guy now. That's
no,
only
that's the guy that only one for me. That's enough.
she's working as in a salon
Yeah,
as a manicure, pedicure. She can clean our toes.
yeah,
Get that ingrown. Di ba, te?
yeah.
Pag nag-i-ingrown ka, sarap-sarap.
Oh,
Di na lang ingron tong pa ako kaya
mm.
laging linis to.
Oh,
Is it true? If you are maquillonista, if you like you working in salon and like you do pedicure, manicure, you don't know how to take care of your own nails, di ba?
mm.
May tamad
So,
ka na maglinis ng kuko mo.
yeah, because I not know about my doing myself.
You don't know how to do it for yourself?
Yeah.
Really?
In the other people, I
You know
can
how
do.
to do it. You
Yeah, I
can
can
do it.
have a do it, but for me, I not can I
You
do it.
can't because like you don't
I
know how to
cannot
do it.
because I be scared for scratch about
Really?
this.
But
Yes.
you're not scared to scratch other.
Yeah, each other. I have experience for each other for clean the nail about that. And then for me, I not know.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Because you're scared to get
Yeah,
some.
it's scared. But for me, I'm for myself. I'm scared, but the other is no.
Oh,
Because
bongga.
yeah, because I know that about the other the people.
Bongga. Pero hindi ka takot na scratch yung mga customer mo.
No,
You're
not because for me, I don't because for me it's I'm scared about
kaloka.
that.
Kaloka, no. Alright. Come guys, join the live before we go.
Mm.
What is your dream for your child? Pangarap mo po para sa mga anak mo?
I hope have after finish school I have a good work,
Mhm.
and then yeah, I want to good work and
Good health like that.
health. Yeah, most to be for important health like that.
All right. Thank you, Ate. Are
Yeah.
you happy with your life?
Yes,
Mm.
but me, I'm happy. I still working for my
For your
kids.
child.
Yeah, for my kids
Mm.
support that.
You need to, as long they finish their studying, their school, because education is
Yeah,
more important.
because I want to take care my kids to school every day.
Mm.
Then I give money, and then I'm happy because I support the when
Do
go
you
to
have
school.
the time to cook for your children?
Yes, I know the cook.
Do you have time? May oras ka para ipagluto sila?
Yes, every day I have a time before I go to work. I cook already for foods.
Her children are still studying. How many of your children is studying? Ilan sila nang aaral po?
Four. I
Four
got
of them
four.
are studying.
Yeah,
High school.
yeah. It's the number four is grade 9, and the second is grade 4, and third is grade 2, and that first is grade 1.
Mm, okay. Yeah, because school here it's free.
Yeah,
Yeah, a public school it's free. You just, I mean, it's not tuition pay because it's public school.
yeah,
But all we need is to their allowance, food, projects in the
yeah,
school like that. But
yes,
for tuition, if you take your child to public school, it's free.
yeah. Because I'm
Mm-mm.
responsibility about
No,
my
because they
daughter.
asking you have enough money daw. Because
Yeah,
here at Philippines, we have a public school which is you don't have to worry about tuition fee if your child is high school or elementary.
yeah,
We you have to you just uh for projects in the school, transportation and allowance.
yeah.
Okay daw ate. I like to marry you daw. Ikakasal ka, gusto ka daw niya mapakasalan.
Sino
Oh,
who?
I don't know. If you serious, talk to ate here, oh, come join live.
Yeah.
Mga loko-loko lang yan sila, te.
Mm,
Hit the like button, guys. Join patreon.com splash Tom Yam Lechon. Here's the link, guys. You can join.
yeah.
You want to marry you daw. Mm.
Who is this?
Wala. Ate, wag ganun daw no more kids for you na daw. 5 is enough. Do you wanna get pregnant again?
No,
Okay. Kala ko.
for me stop. Because I'm that you know
Yeah,
I'm
it's
just only
hard, of
one support.
course.
It's very hard in my life to only one that support my kids.
Mm-mm. As a mother and this is our Facebook, guys. Please follow our Facebook page. Same name as a YouTube and also a Instagram.
Mhm.
All right. Thank you, Ate, for having you here.
Yeah.
Good
Thank you
luck
very
with your
much.
life
Yeah.
and take care. Raise your children well and teach them how to respect
Yeah.
people because uh some of the some of the kids they don't respect people.
Mhm.
They out of respect.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Keep
Thank
tuning in.
you. Thank you for talking nice.
Join patreon.com splash Tom Yam Lechon. Keep tuning in. We appreciate you all. OnlyFans Tom Yam Lechon. Hit the like button. Thank you for supporting
Yeah.
our channel.
Yeah.
Babush, we gotta go because it's already 2 a.m. in the morning. And good evening, America. Let's do party. Just kidding. It's Friday night.
Yeah.
So good night, everyone.
Yeah. Good night.